Every district, every region, and every state of India has a unique identification that sets it apart from the others. Be it a dance form, folk art, staple food, or unique attire, every region of India is known to be different, but still in the broad umbrella of India's rich culture. One such region of India is Mithilanchal, known for its famous Madhubani art. Mithila is an ancient cultural region in Bihar and Nepal, associated with Ramayana as the kingdom of King Janak, the father of Mata Sita. Madhubani is one of the most prominent art forms of India and is widely celebrated one, especially among the women of Mithila. They decorate walls with detailed patterns on account of marriage, childbirth, mythological drawings and tantric illustrations. The history of Madhubani art can be traced back to the time when King Janak ruled the kingdom of Mithila and he commissioned local artisans to paint the marriage of Sita with Lord Ram. The All India Handicrafts Board encouraged women of Mithilanchal to use their painting skills and make a living out of this art form, and later recognized it as an educational asset. Sustainable, plant-based materials are used in Madhubani paintings. Colors are derived from plants and applied using fingers, bamboo or matchsticks instead of the modern brushes and pens. Madhubani paintings have broken caste barriers, representing local thoughts, aspirations and desires, and have given women a platform to paint their thoughts. A Madhubani artist, Sita Devi, who has won Bharat Ratna and Padma Shri awards for her remarkable artwork, has aided in the global recognition of this beautiful art form. She was one of the first Mithila artists who shifted the traditional wall art form to paper and canvas. Madhubani art has moved out of Bihar and reached the world owing to its culturally rich heritage and diverse artistic themes. Madhubani painting has garnered international attention in Japan, Germany, France and the USA. Japan has its own Mithila museum with almost 850 paintings on display circling different themes and styles. Global Positioning, a public art exhibition in the US, featured India's Madhubani art in the top 20 work by artists all across the globe. Even Prime Minister Narendra Modi gifted the mayor of Hanover a Madhubani painting as a souvenir from India.